it's Forex news for Thursday, November 18th, provided to you by InstaForex news team and me, Darika Isakova. Due to the investors' risk appetite, there have appeared some interruptions in the US dollar dynamics. A lot of months, the inverse dependence between them was rather clear. Positive economic news from the USA increases the risk appetite in the world market and prompts its participants to sell the American currency. Conversely, weak economic figures from the USA make the investors return to asylum currencies that causes the US dollar strengthening. Some analysts are sure that this connection rises. The dollar movement is determined by the stock index's trend as the key indicator of investors' inclination to risk. In case there are any fluctuations between the investors' unwillingness to risk and risk appetite, it is necessary to keep a stable correction of the US stock indexes for the dollar lowering. Nonetheless, it is clear that everything can go another way. Economic reports issued recently by the United States resulted to another dollar behavior than it used to be earlier. Take a rather disappointing consumer sentiment index of Michigan University and Reuters released on last Friday. Instead of confidence uptick, it signaled about its decline. It may mean that the US consumers' activeness is weak now when the program of old cars utilization is finished. Even rather significant dynamics improvement of retail sales, which was sounded on Monday, did not help. Basic sales, excluding automobile and petrol realization, remained at unpromising rates. That means that the general economic sentiment is still discouraging. Nevertheless, the dollar, which could get a support due to investors' nervous response to unfavorable data, tumbled again. But in the limelight of the global market participants, there are some good economic news. Thus, the gross domestic product of Japan in the third quarter jumped twice more drastically than expected. At the same time, the oil price continues rising to record highs. The global economy prospects are getting better. On the other hand, the dollar is going downwards due to the market participants' concerns regarding that the FRS will have to hold extreme interest rates much longer than estimated before. If so, it will reduce the benefit advantages which the greenback could gain further and prompt the easing of the American currency support. We will be back tomorrow with the next release. Thank you for watching us. Goodbye.